Hi everybody, today I will show you how to mute WhatsApp calls. So let's begin. There are two ways to mute WhatsApp calls depending on what you need. Muting your microphone during an active call or muting incoming call notifications from a specific contact. To mute your microphone during an active WhatsApp call, simply answer the call and you will see a microphone icon on the call screen. Tap on it and your mic gets muted instantly. The other person won't be able to hear you, but you can still hear them. Tap it again to unmute. Now, if you want to mute incoming call notifications from a specific contact so their calls don't disturb you, navigate to the contact, hold it down, and once you hold down the chat, you will see a mute icon at the top that says mute notification. Click on it and choose how long you want to mute this chat, whether it's for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Once muted, their calls will come in silently without ringing or vibrating. So after selecting it, click OK and they will be muted. So that's how you mute WhatsApp calls. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.